For today's nail art, we are doing a plaid design. I'm starting off with my nails polished Empire Green from Sinful Colors, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the first layer, I'm going to be using UberChic Pretty in Plaid 2, and the color is So Metal from Maniology. Using that same stamping plate, I'm going to add some black lines over the thicker silver stripes. Now I'll remove the liquid latex and finish with a matte top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.